Hello students, welcome to my channel Python की भाषा. In previous video, we have learned about read, write, search and update with multiple data. This video will help you to create project in binary files. In this video, today I will show you how to create the record and display and appending the records in a binary files. Here I am taking a student database in the form of list. The fields are roll number, name and percentage. Already you know, use binary file, you have to import the pickle modules. You know there are two functions. You have a load and dump modules in the pickle module. We are using that dump and load module. That's why I am importing that pickle modules. We will also use the OS module because I am using the append functions. Already that in previous video I have discussed all the functions in the OS modules. Now let's move to the program. To create a binary file, first of all I am defining a function. The name is create rec functions. I have opened that database. F is equal to open student.dat in writing mode. W for writing, P for binary. I have taken a list to store the whatever data you entered in the database, that is in the form of list. That is, I am entering the data that is called roll number, name and percentage. Now I am asking to the user to enter the data, that is roll number is equal to input, enter the roll number, l.append. Append is a OS module to appending one record in the list. So I have taken the three fields. You can go with many values like address, phone numbers, marks, etc. Now I am printing the list where the data contain and you dumping that records, that is called pickle.dump, that is L for list or F, and you are writing the one record in the list. After dumping the record, you ask the user to enter more records. You are asking ch is equal to input, enter, you want to input the more records. If the choice is yes, ask the user to enter next record. Then again you are asked asking that roll numbers, name and percentage. If your choice is no, now you do not want to enter more records, then break out of the while true. Clear? Then close that files. Now I am writing the display all functions. How to display the records? Again I am opening that student.dat file. In reading mode, that is called RB, R for reading, B for binary modes. Now let me tell you, when you read a binary file, the file pointer pointing to the first record. When you read first record, the file pointer go to the second record. Now you can read the second record. After reading all the records, now the file pointer is come to the end of file. It gives an error. That is called end of file error. Errors. So we avoid that error. We have to handle that error. That's why I am using try and except end of file errors. So here I have opened the file student.dat file in the reading mode, and I use the try and except That's why I'm not using the else block, because else block only executed if there is no errors. Clear? Now you always write the code which can give an error within the try block. Within the try block, so in the try block I have written again inside the try block. I have taken the while true, that is called infinite loop, because I do not know how many records are there in my student.dat file. So the command for reading for a file is load that functions, that is called a.pickle.load functions. I am reading from the student.database file, and this required the file object as an argument. That's why I am written that pickle.load f is an argument, that is a file object. My file object is f, so I am written here that is f. When it comes to the end of file, the error will raise file has come to an end. That you can write the error message, the file come to the end. Then you call that functions, that is called create record and display all records. I am calling these functions. Now let me run this program. This is the program. What I am discussing, I am writing in the Python IDL. I run this program. You see the output F5. Now the asking enter the roll number, that is called, suppose I am putting 001. Again, suppose name is, suppose I am putting Govind, and the percentage suppose 98. Asking that do you want to enter more records? Yes. The roll number is suppose 002. And student name is, suppose I am putting Ram, percentage suppose 96. Then again asking the enter the more records, suppose I am putting no. It display the two records in the list, that is called first record is the roll number is 1 Govind 98%, 2 Ram 96%. This is all about the how to display the, how to create and display the records in the student.dat file. Now you have a two records. You have a two records in the database. Now you want to append the data. Now you want to append the data in the student.dat file. Now I am going to tell you how to append the records in the binary file. Before this, I suggest go through my previous video how to okay, sorry, that that last slide, that is not not the last video. The last slide I am displaying that how to create and how to display that records. In this slide I want to show you how to append one record in the student.dat file. So the first you will import the pickle modules, because in the pickle module we used to function, that is a dump function and load function. Dump is the write on the binary file and load is the read from the binary files. The advantage of dump and load in Python data type convert into a byte string and vice versa. In other function we will use in the OS model. So I have import OS models. Now I open the student.dat file already created in the last presentation, last slide. I am creating the student.dat file. I am opening that file. I am using that while true, that is an infinite loop, to tell the user that user can add as many records they want. I have taken a list in which I am add the records, that is called roll number, name and percentage. The command to write on the binary file is pickle.dump, where I am writing the list object onto my file f. Clear? The file f is associated with student.dat. Now I am asking user, do you want to add more records? If the answer is no, it will break out the loop. Then the while true, the infinite loop is executed. When it comes out of the loop, then I am closing that student.dat file. In this way you can add the records. Now I will show you how the records is appended. I have written this program. Open that file. Open. I have written student append. This is the program. Again I am opening that file. Open append mode. This is the program to append mode. Same program I am written in the Python IDLE. I run this program. Now you want to add the records. Again you are asking the roll number 003. Student name is, suppose I am putting Ansuman. Marks is suppose 96. Enter more records. Suppose I am putting yes. Then roll number is 005. Suppose I am putting the name Hari and percentage suppose 89. And you press that no. That whole record, the first you are inputting the first record Govind 98 and Ram 96%. Now I am adding two records, that is Ansuman 96%, Hari 89%. Clear? The student.dat file, now you have a 4 records. So in this video I will show you that how to create student.dat database, how to display the records, how to append the records in the student.dat file. In the next video we will discuss search and update the binary file. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new notifications. Any doubts you can ask me in the comment sections. Thank you.